This truck shouldn't exist anymore. Welcome to the new year, where the king of the dinosaurs is back from extinction and hunting for raptors. It's the 2027 Ram 1500 TRX, and I'm here to break down why its return is a middle finger to logic and a gift for anyone who loves raw power. This isn't a simple rehash. They've brought back the SRT badge and stuffed an even angrier heart under the hood. But is this just nostalgia, or has it evolved into something truly worth the insane price tag? Let's start with the number you care about. 777 horsepower. That's not a typo. It's 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful production gas half-ton truck you can buy. It sprints to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. Think about that. A 2.5-ton truck moving that fast. This power comes from a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, but Ram insists it's a new variant, not just a tune of the old one. They've pulled tech from their highest performance parts bin to make it breathe better and rev higher. And yes, that handily beats its arch rival, the Ford Raptor R, but here's the kicker. It's expected to start around $102,000. That's a serious chunk of change, but it actually undercuts the Raptor R by over 10 grand. So, you get more power for less money. On paper, that's a win. But does this thing have the soul to match the spec sheet? You can't miss it on the road. It's nearly 7 inches wider than a standard Ram, with bulging fenders and a face that means business. The grille has a flow-through design with a red Ram badge, and there's a proper T-Rex head logo on the tailgate now. Our truck is wearing the special Bloodshot Night Edition package. That means this two-tone paint, a black top with these fiery red accents and splash graphics down the side. It's loud, aggressive, and completely unapologetic. This isn't a truck that whispers. It's one that announces its arrival with a roar. Slide inside, and it's a mix of luxury and purpose. You're greeted by a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital cluster. The seats are wrapped in leather and suede, with red stitching and TRX embroidery. You even get a suede headliner. But look down, there's a proper console shifter and real, physical buttons for the drive modes and off-road controls. No fussy dials here. In a world of sanitized interiors, this cabin feels built for getting dirty. But is all this tech just for show, or does it actually make the experience better? Now, the important part. What's it like where the rubber meets the dirt? It rides on massive 35-inch all-terrain tires, with an off-road suspension that offers a staggering 13 inches of travel up front and 14 in the rear that's controlled by Bilstein's latest adaptive dampers, designed to soak up brutal impacts. With over 11 inches of ground clearance, this thing is built to fly over terrain that would stop other trucks dead. But let's be real. Most of these will live on pavement. So, what's the catch? The fuel economy will be catastrophic. It's a supercharged V8 in 2027. And that incredible width makes it a chore in tight city spaces or crowded parking lots. You buy this for the theater, for the feeling. It's a celebration of internal combustion at a time when everyone else is going quiet. Does that make it irresponsible, or the last of a glorious breed? Here's my final take. The return is a miracle. In a landscape shifting toward hybrids and electrons, Ram brought back a monster and made it even stronger. It's more powerful, more capable, and, somehow, a relative value compared to its competition. This truck is a rolling declaration that pure, stupid fun still has a place. If this deep dive into automotive rebellion sparks something for you, do me a solid and hit the like button. It helps our channel, Winds of Thought, keep exploring the machines that stir your soul. Let us know below. Is the return a triumphant last stand, or is it time to let the dinosaurs rest? This was about more than just spec.